Anthony's last video of Sunny and Luna's video. Hi, this is my last video of Anthony and Sunny and Luna. So first, we are gonna ice the cake because we put the cake and the icing in the refrigerator, and then now we're gonna ice it. So the Fruit Loops are inside of it, so you might taste it. It's a little hard to do, but if you need a parent, you can let them help. Okay. Now, so now my dad's gonna ice it because it's a little hard to do. So you can watch my dad do the last video, and then when I'm done, I'll put the sprinkles on. I'm gonna put these kind of sprinkles on. See? And I'm gonna put some green sprinkles on it with it. So that's all what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put all these three on there. So I'm gonna put different kinds of sprinkles on it. So you have to watch too when my dad does this. Well, stay tuned because this is my last video, and tomorrow we're gonna make another video of Anthony's cake and baking show of Sunny and Luna pizza. So you have to stay tuned and see that video. We're going to do that tomorrow. There's some more in there. If you know, my dad's really good at baking of cakes. Right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
He's a good chef, but he's helping me so I can do the cake. Then I'm going to do the sprinkles. So now I'm going to put these all these three sprinkles on. Okay, put it on. There. Put some right there, and then I'm going to put some green sprinkles on the side of it. Green sprinkles, and then we're gonna do some of these. And then we're gonna do some more of it on the side. Some more green on the side. All this green on there, so, and we put some red on the side, and stop. Okay, that's it. Call me Butter because I'm on a roll. See you next time because pizza's coming soon tomorrow. See you next time.